Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I am making zucchini lasagna. This grain-free lasagna uses zucchini slices in place of pasta, but is still full of lasagna flavor and very satisfying. What's so wonderful about this lasagna is that it is full of vegetables, and you don't have to have any special equipment to make it. Preheat the oven. I'm gonna cut the zucchini and bake it. Cut off the ends and thinly slice it length, hot dog style, not hamburger style. Also use a nice sharp knife because slicing your fingers is lame. This doesn't have to be perfect because as you have seen, mine is not. Sometimes I find it helpful to cut a little slice off of one end so it kind of rests better. Just want to make sure everything is relatively the same thickness. Then put these on a baking sheet. I know this is one more step, however, it is a very important step because it helps the zucchini release some of the extra moisture so you don't have a soggy lasagna. Nobody wants soggy lasagna. So you sprinkle them with salt and that's also gonna help release the moisture. And then you're gonna bake them for just a little bit, long enough for them to release some of their juice. And while these are baking, you'll prepare the cheese mixture. We're going to stir together the ricotta cheese and spices. I prefer to use part skim ricotta because I find that whole milk ricotta has a little bit too much liquid and can make your lasagna kind of soupy. But you are welcome to use whole milk if that's what you prefer. Set aside. Remove and pat these dry. I'm gonna use a dish towel. You're welcome to use paper towels. Now it's time to assemble this baby. Just gonna grease this a little bit, but you don't need a lot because this is a pretty small baking dish. We're gonna put down a layer of zucchini first. Make sure everything is pretty covered. If you notice there's any excess liquid kind of hanging out, blot it off. So half the ricotta mixture and then half the tomato sauce. No need to dirty another bowl, so we're just gonna serve it right from the can. And then sprinkle with your mozzarella. You could also do Parmesan here or a combination of Parmesan and mozzarella. I like to use a little bit less in the middle layer so you can get a lot more on top. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. So another layer of zucchini, then ricotta, and the rest of the tomato sauce, and then cover it with the rest of the cheese. And then transfer it to the oven and bake. Little pro tip for when you are baking in a smaller casserole dish that is pretty full, place it on a baking sheet. If you put it on a baking sheet, then it is a lot easier to get in and out of the oven, especially when it's hot. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.